What's up? My name's Logan Brown. I'm going to show you how to make a willy bag. So what we got here is just an old boxing bag. This is one that I've had for ages, but the straps broke. And then I just got 2 straps. I'll show you how I'll set it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this bag to this pole. This is like real sturdy. I don't really recommend doing it to something that's attached to your house, but just for this video. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out where I want the head to be, right? So I'm just going to go right about where my chin is. So about here. So I'm actually going to flip this bag upside down because it's always a lot heavier up here, so that's what I want the head to be. And I'm just looking where my mark is, that's where I'm going to put my strap. You want to leave a decent amount of space from where you're putting the strap to the top, because that's going to be like the head. So you don't want your strap to be up here where you've only got a little bit of room to actually punch. Okay, so now that's held on. I'm still gonna go a bit tighter, but I want this to stay a little bit loose for now so I can adjust it once I get the body strap on. And I'm gonna do this up as tight as I can, because once you start punching this thing's gonna start twisting. We wanna keep it to as minimum movement as possible. Okay, so once you've got this all set up, it should be nice and solid. But what's gonna happen is once you start punching it, it's gonna loosen up. So as that happens, you wanna just keep an eye. If you notice the bag moving, then you just tighten up your straps even more. So you probably already know this, but Cus D'amato invented this style of punching bag. And back when he invented it, he kind of got, you know, a bit of backlash from the boxing community, because everybody said, why would you create something that's stationary? Like when you're in the ring, that's not recreating what a fighter does. They don't just stand there in front of you. So a reporter hit him up about this, and he said to the reporter, well, in every single fight, the person that you're fighting against, they'll be stationary for at least 1 second. And so what he worked on was training his fighters so they could rattle off 4, 5, 6 punches within 1 second.
He developed the speed, power, accuracy, coordination, and stamina. But where he was able to throw 6-punch combination in 2/5 of a second.
Forward, let's go with a couple of lefts, now a right, a left.
Flurry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 punches. You don't see that heavyweight divisions.